Open Corridor 2A.dwg. Click Home tab, Create Design Panel Assembly drop-down, Create Assembly. In the Create Assembly dialog box, for name, enter Transition. Click OK. When the Specify Assembly Baseline Location prompt is displayed on the command line, click a point in the drawing to place the assembly. If the tool palette containing the sub-assemblies is not visible, click Home tab, Palettes panel, Tool Palettes. In the Tool palette, right-click the Tool Palette's control bar. Click Civil Imperial Sub-Assemblies. Click the Basic tab. Click Basic Lane Transition. In the Properties palette, under Advanced, specify the following parameters. In the drawing, click the marker point on the assembly baseline. In the Tool palette, click Basic Curb and Gutter. In the Properties palette, under Advanced, specify the following parameters. In the drawing, click the marker point at the top right edge of the lane to draw the curb and gutter. In the Tool palette, click Basic Sidewalk. In the Properties palette, under Advanced, specify the following parameters. In the drawing, click the marker point at the top backside of the curb to add the sidewalk and its buffer zones. In the Tool palette, click Basic Side Slope Cut Ditch. In the Properties palette, under Advanced, specify the following parameters. In the drawing, click the marker point at the outside edge of the outer sidewalk buffer zone to add the cut and fill slope. In the Tool palette, click Basic Lane Transition. In the Properties palette, under Advanced, specify the following parameters. In the drawing, click the marker point on the assembly baseline. A lane is drawn, extending 12 feet to the left, with a slope of -2% and a depth of 1 foot. Press ESC to exit sub-assembly placement mode. In the drawing, on the right-hand side of the assembly, select the curb, sidewalk, and daylight sub-assemblies. Right-click. Click Mirror. Click the marker point at the top left edge of the transition lane to draw a mirror of the curb, sidewalk, and daylight sub-assemblies. Click Home tab, Create Design Panel Corridor. In the Create Corridor dialog box, specify the following parameters. Click OK. In the Baseline and Region Parameters dialog box, click Set All Targets. In the Target Mapping dialog box, in the Transition Alignment row for Basic Lane Transition, right-click the Object Name field. In the Set Width or Offset Target dialog box, specify the following parameters. Click Add. Click OK. In the Transition Alignment row for Basic Lane Transition, left, click the Object Name field. In the Set Width or Offset Target dialog box, in the Select Object Type to Target list, select Feature Lines, Survey Figures, and Polylines. Click Select from Drawing. In the drawing, on the left side of the alignment, select the blue polyline and magenta feature line. Press Enter. Click OK. In the Transition Profile row for Basic Lane Transition, right, click the Object Name field. In the Set Slope or Elevation Target dialog box, specify the following parameters. Click Add. Click OK. Click OK twice.